तो सेडोना में आज हम खाना खाने वाले हैं द सीक्रेट गार्डन कैफे में। इनका ये मेन्यू है, चिकन परमिशन सैंडविच भी है। चलिए, द सीक्रेट गार्डन डॉगी, अच्छा डॉग फूड भी है इनके पास, ओपन भी है। चलिए, वाह, बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट। अच्छा,
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, man. Welcome in, guys. How we doing?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Just to be here after like
Hallelujah.
2 years. You know that? Like I came here after 2 years.
All right.
Right, it's
Welcome
2 years
back.
now?
Welcome back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I live for the people right now? What's going on?
I'm just making a video of everything,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna put it on YouTube, and I'll share my experience.
What's
Like
up?
I'm fine, man.
How are you?
I'm fine. And let's have some food.
Okay. Beautiful. You guys want to be inside or outside?
Inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside. Okay.
Yeah. Let's do this high top right here.
Yes. Yeah. That's just fine.
Let me wipe it down first.
Okay. Outside it's hot. Wow. I like your bar. Cakes. Oh. Beautiful cakes. Oh.
Okay.
Nice tables.
Go ahead and have a seat, gentlemen. I'll bring you menus.
All right. Sit down, guys. Hi, बेटा बैठ. Sit down. लगता है इनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है आज खाने के लिए.
Lunch and dinner सब open है.
Lunch and dinner all are open. I am cared for. Do not water me. इसका मतलब इसकी केयरिंग हो रही है, इन्हें वाटर मत करो. तो अपने कटलरीज हो गए यहाँ पे. सीक्रेट गार्डन डिनर. और क्या है? Secret garden with love. Oh, thank you for the water, man.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Yeah.
My name's Justin. I'll be taking care of you.
Okay.
Do you guys have any questions or curiosity? What did you say your name was? Justin.
Dustin?
Justin.
Yeah. So today we've got a lunch special is a chicken parm sandwich. So it's going to be gluten-free breaded chicken with mozzarella, red sauce, and focaccia bread. That's with your choice of lunch sides. Then for dinner we've
I don't
got.
see it on the menu though.
Yeah, it's the special for this
The
week. That's why
special.
I'm mentioning it to you.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
And what do you have in pasta?
So we've got amazing pastas here. So pasta, we're gonna have like chicken marsala, shrimp puttanesca, one of my favorites.
I'm gonna go with that.
Yeah, it's really good when you can't go wrong.
All right, I'm gonna go with the shrimp. What's kind of pasta?
Shrimp puttanesca.
Yes, and he is vegetarian. What veggies do you have?
Yeah, so we've got the Chile Relleno is pretty popular here on the dinner menu. It's the kind of the only real veggie dinner we have. Then we're going to be moving into the lunch menu for like the Southwest Veggie Sandwich is very popular. We've got a great house-made veggie burger. We've got a portobello sandwich that's great, and then this vegan delight sandwich is very popular. We've also got great salads. So we do organic salad greens with house-made dressing. So like the Southwest Veggie Cobb, the blissful spinach. Those are some great options as well.
Okay, I'll look for it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the drinks. So
yeah, we've got a prickly pear lemonade. We've got a black passion fruit iced tea, unsweetened. We've got a full espresso bar with iced or hot coffee drinks.
Right.
Ceremonial grade matcha, chai, all this good stuff.
do you want to have some beer or something? What do you drink?
No alcohol today. I'll take the Coke. sorry? Coke with lemon?
I've got cola by Bowl and Soda, so it's all all natural cane sugar soda in glass bottle.
Yeah.
Want to try
That's
that?
nice.
So I got cola, I got root beer, ginger ale, orange,
What else do you want? It looks like more.
cola.
yeah.
And what do you want?
You said you have an orange? Mm-hmm. Is it like Fanta?
It's all by Boil and Soda. It's very good. They're in glass bottles.
Try it, Rita.
I'll try the orange.
Yeah.
Yes. And give me dirty martini shaken, vodka.
Okay. Any particular?
Tito's?
Dirty shaken.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Quick question. Could you tell me what's in the Parmesan chicken? Palm chicken?
So it's chicken breast, again breaded with gluten-free flour, and then it's got mozzarella cheese, it's got like a marinara sauce, it's on focaccia roll. I think that's pretty much it.
Does it come with any sides? Or?
Yeah, your choice of sides. So the lunch sides are going to be kettle cooked chips, gorgonzola cheese coleslaw, $1 more is fruit, $3 more is soup or salad.
And you won't believe it, last time, like 2 years back when I came, he was the one.
Yeah, he's
You were the one who took a sit outside. Yeah. But I was with 3 kids. I was with 3, him and 2 other kids.
Just a second.
Yeah,
How you been? You been good?
I've been good. I'm gonna take a breather.
I just bought that camera.
Yeah, it's nice. It's
I broke my
DJI Osmo 360,
broke
and
my
that is GoPro 12.
Yeah, I had the Insta one.
Insta, yeah, Insta's
bought
good.
that instead.
Yeah, DJI is good. I like it. I just got it, and I'm kind of loving it.
It's good, man.
Yeah.
It's good. It's fun to make videos.
Yeah.
It is breaded, and they do use panko and then egg to do the breading. Okay, so I just want to make sure you knew what goes on that. And then a little bit of parsley, mozzarella, marinara. Yeah, kind of a classic.
Yeah, I was making my own drink because I love Thursday.
Okay.
It's a virgin mojito. No, mojito. Virgin pina colada.
Virgin Michelada.
Yes.
Okay. You speak Spanish?
Español hablo.
Oh, habla poquito española.
Poquito español.
Poquito. I know like por favor means please or excuse me. I know say ni si, and I know es importante para mí.
Es importante para mí.
Es importante para ti. And then caro means money, right?
Carro?
Caro.
It's car.
Caro.
Yes, sir.
And what is caro? Money? What do you call money?
Efectivo.
Efectivo.
Sí.
Gracias, gracias. Muchas gracias. Yeah.
Claro que sí. Mucho.
Muchas gracias. Okay, so here comes my olive.
We're gonna get you a nice chilled martini.
Okay.
I said Tito's, right?
Right.
Tito's right here.
So here comes my vodka. Yay.
It's 2 ounces right there.
2 ounces of vodka.
We are out.
And you're gonna get me the juice.
Fred, we're gonna get a fresh jar. We're gonna get
Yes.
fresh juice. Be right back.
Okay.
Un segundo.
Yep. So he's gonna get me the jar. A fresh jar of martini syrup. Nice, Lauren. He's back with the fresh jar.
I make it fast.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
I love it. Boom. Man, he's made my day.
So, key to an amazing martini. Shaking it nice and hard.
Yes.
To get a good balance.
Okay.
Smack it in there.
Perfecto. Oh, wow.
We want to start seeing some frost. We're not there yet, okay?
Yes, you're not there yet.
So we gotta give it a couple more.
Awesome.
A little bit more.
Little more.
That is like
Wow.
Now we're there.
There we go. Crack open. Oh, nice and tight. You see that?
Nice and tight.
That's right. Put it in there. These. So we can
Here
get
goes the mutton.
all the good stuff, my friend. All the good stuff. Tap. Tap, 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 tap. We want to get all the money's worth, you know, all the money.
Yes. Oh God, it's fun.
How beautiful that is.
Yes.
Done? Not done yet?
And then the olive pot, the olive
2 or
theory.
3?
3.
Let's do 3.
The olive theory.
Boom. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of trash in there.
Okay.
We get it out of there. Bueno.
Perfecto.
Wow, like that.
Awesome, man. Here comes the martini for me, and I'm gonna have the martini now. Thank you.
Enjoy. Nice cold shake.
Love it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Some of my best work for you, my friend.
Thank you, brother. All right, so now we're at the cafe. That's good.
Secret Garden Cafe, baby. Can't miss it.
Sacred Garden Cafe. Don't miss it.
Yeah, we're out here, Sedona, Arizona, baby.
Yes, we are in Arizona. And as I told you, I got my martini. मैं अपना martini ले चुका हूँ. I love it. Beta ji, I love it.
Sesame and ginger and that kind of stuff. I like the sesame oriental personally. But if that's not your flavor profile, the balsamic is a classic that you really can't go
I think I've had balsamic, so
Yeah.
I think I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Do you have ranch with that or?
It's blue cheese ranch. So it's not made, it's kind of...
Go with blue cheese.
Go for that?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
There's most tomatoes, right?
They would put a little tomato on the salad. You want no tomatoes? That's fine, yeah.
No raw tomatoes.
good, guys. I'm the only one who's about 40 and you guys are 20s. I'm double your age and have less choices. Generation change, man. Can you believe that? I just look young, okay?
Yeah, you do. You do. It's that energy, man. You got a beautiful energy, bro.
Justin, for me, no chicken, just the plain meat.
I got it. Yeah,
For him, he wants
vegetarian.
steak on the.
You guys can order one sandwich. You can have half an hour, you know. आधा आधा खा सकते हो एक सैंडविच मंगा के मालूम है मंगा लो कोई वेजी सैंडविच या कुछ मंगा के अच्छा बाद में मंगा के देखते हैं
Pretty filling. So.
Yeah, अरे मेरा मार्टिनी आ गया मुझे क्या चाहिए तुम लोग बाहर में जाओ
Oh, the shrimp one.
हाँ तो साइड सैलेड आ गए हैं ये है ऑर्गेनिक केन शुगर कोला साइड वाले सैलड्स आ गए हैं और ये सैलड आ गए हैं नाइस और मैं तो मार्टिनी पी ही रहा हूँ थैंक यू प्रणव Here comes the pasta permission shrimp one. Wow, that looks so nice.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Anything else right now to enjoy yourselves?
I love it. I love the way it looks.
Okay, great.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow. Pita bread. प्रणव भी मजे से खा रहा है बड़ा एक राइट वाओ तू हाथ पोंछ रहा है मजा नहीं आता ये खाने में but have a tasty good बड़ा मजा आ रहा है टेस्टी मेरी फूड भी गजब है तो बच्चा लोग खाना हो गया खत्म और हमने बिल भी पे कर दिया ठीक है और यहाँ पे हमारी आखिरी मार्टिनी भी आ गई एंड थैंक यू
Justin,
फॉर द ग्रेट सर्विस
so very welcome. Pleasure to
and
meet you.
It was awesome being here. It was my second time being over here, as I showed you the picture.
Yeah.
And I loved it, man. Thank you.
Well, but we have
Yeah.
round 2. Thanks
Yes.
for coming back. Guys,
Thank you, brother.
Blessed evening, okay?
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Ha.
What's your grand? My buddy Albinet.
Okay.
Got glasses. They have moving train, cocktails. Just 136 bar in the world. Yeah, go check it out.
Century Grand, right?
Grand.
Century Grand. Okay, guys. Century Grand.
And
You
the
guys don't drink.
cocktails.
And the cocktails, yeah.
Cocktails, regular cocktails. Yeah, man, they're crazy. They do an amazing job. Like,
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go there and do that,
They have
man.
them crazy.
If he drinks, I guess I'll take him, and my kiddo gonna have some cocoa with that, right, brother? Yeah. Yeah. Well, you can get
You got you, bro.
the yeah.
Okay, this is
No, no,
one.
Century Bar, right? हाँ.
So the bill
Nice.
is actually like running.
बेटा मैंने अपनी आधी जिंदगी जी ली अब क्या है? I'm telling them in Hindi. It's a national language of India. That I have lived half of my life, okay? So it's fine if I can go drink and have fun.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, bro, you got together. We
Yeah.
all work hard, man. So it's-
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I don't think they have amazing cocktails. Like they have.
Yes.
They have really Negroni. They have a machine. You know how you're transfusing your blood?
Yes.
Really expensive machine. They do that with liquor. So they can pull the flavors out.
यंग कहाँ से रहना है? दिमाग से रहना है. Okay. चलो हो गया अपनी मार्टिनी. It was a great group. भगवान से शुक्रिया करो कि आपने यहाँ तक. My friend, and I don't know what to say, but good to see you, man.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
I'll make you an amazing martini again.
Yes, that's the deal. See you, brother.
Thank you.
So let's go. Close at 8. Photo? The secret garden cafe at Tlaquepaque. Shut up. Nice place. I had fun. और वहाँ पे एक बेयर बैठा हुआ है. क्या नाम है इस जगह का? Tlaquepaque. Tlaquepaque. Historic site.